what time it is?
It's time for the
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of February 10th, 2023. Here are some upcoming events. The elementary campus is selling beautiful wood roses as a fundraiser for our Aristocats play. These gorgeous roses come in a rainbow of beautiful colors, and they will last forever. They cost $2 each or 2 for $3, and students will select their roses on February 14th. Monday, February 20th is a teacher workday, no school for students. Pink Shirt Day is Wednesday, February 22nd, across the entire district to promote kindness. The Lake Worth Street Painting Festival will be on February 25th and February 26th. PBMA students and teachers will create beautiful chalk paintings on the streets of Lake Worth. Come out and see the beautiful creations. Save the date for McTeacher Night. On Wednesday, March 8th, from 5 to 7 p.m., PBMA elementary teachers and staff will help serve meals at the Lantana McDonald's as a fundraiser. Please stop by for dinner. Saturday, March 11th will be our next open house for students new to PBMA. 10 a.m. at the elementary campus and 11 a.m. at the secondary campus. This is a great time for 5th graders to see our middle school and for incoming kindergartners to tour the school. Please tell any family or friends that might be interested. Thursday, March 16th at 6 o'clock p.m. is the 5th grade Spring Fling Dance. Admission is $10 and pre-sale tickets are available now. Spring break is Friday, March 17th through March 26th. Here's a message from our administration.
Greetings, PBMA parents and students. My name is Mrs. Coleman, Dean of Students here at the secondary campus. I want to first start off by saying thank you for choosing to be a part of our PBMA family. We are excited to have you and look forward to continuing this amazing school year. I would like to take this time to highlight a few school-wide reminders. Students, please make sure that you are in dress code. Be sure to wear your PBMA uniforms while you are here on campus. It supports professionalism, dressing for success, as well as they are student identifiers while you're here on campus. We want to make sure that we are setting a great example for our underclassmen as well. Electronics, cell phones, AirPods, please make sure that those items are on silent and put away while you are in your classrooms. We want to make sure that you are getting the instruction that you need and we are utilizing all of that time effectively. We want to ensure that our students can take full advantage of instruction while on PBMA campus. Parents, once again, I thank you for your support and have a great day.
Hello, my PBMA friends. This is Ms. Thomas, your high school counselor, with a few announcements. The first few announcements are going to go to my seniors. Shout out to my seniors who attended our senior class meeting on Wednesday. It was very much appreciated. Remember, we are having our senior class meetings weekly every Wednesday. If you cannot join us in person, I am sending out the link to join us virtually through Google Meet. Also, seniors, we have Grad Bash coming up, and we are starting to collect the payments and both your forms, the permission form and the Grad Bash conduct and dress code acknowledgement form. You will turn in those two forms to Ms. Topher, and you will make your payment in the front office with Ms. Jerome. The deadline to turn all of those in is February 28th, so please make sure you get all of that in so you can attend our Grad Bash happening in April. Also, seniors, our parking space fundraising event has been rescheduled to Wednesday, February 22nd. We are also making this a social, so if you are not participating in the parking space painting, you are also welcome to just come and hang out with your fellow seniors. There will be light food and light beverage provided. The cost is $10, whether you're painting or whether you're just hanging out. Please turn in that money to either me and Ms. Topher by February 22nd. Also, seniors, I am about to do our third quarter graduation check. Remember, I will be doing 2 this quarter, so I am doing the first one within the next couple of weeks. So parents, please be on the lookout for that graduation check letter. Remember, if I have it highlighted, they still need to meet that graduation requirement. If there is a check mark, that means they have already met it. And last one for my seniors, please continue to reach out to me with any assistance you may need for your college and financial aid applications, any letter of recommendations, transcripts. Please let me know and I will happily assist you with those processes. All right, and my last few announcements goes out to all of my high school friends. Community service hours. I'm going to say this every time. I'm sorry if you're getting tired of me. You need 20 to graduate. I do have a community service opportunity. The Street Painting Festival. If you are interested, please come to me. I have a sign-in sheet. It will be taking place Saturday, February 25th and Sunday, February 26th. Please let me know so I can get you on that sign-in sheet. And also scholarships. For those of you who are filling out scholarships, please be on the lookout. I am sending you a bunch of scholarship opportunities. As you are filling those scholarships out, let me know. I can also assist you with that as well. And that's all I have for today. Thank you.
Last week was School Counselor Week across the district. Thank you to our wonderful PBMA school counselors, Mrs. Dvorak, Ms. Simmons, and Ms. Thomas, for all they do to support our students and staff. You really are the heartbeat of our schools. In secondary art, students are learning how to write in cursive. Cursive is important in life. You need it to sign legal documents, read historical documents like our Constitution and Bill of Rights, sign for a house, and many more events. Cursive writing is not only pretty, but it boosts your eye-hand coordination, which helps in sketching and in painting skills. 10th and 12th grade social studies classes visited the Renaissance Festival in Deerfield Beach. The Renaissance Festival is an immersive experience that seeks to recreate the Renaissance period. Students got to visit places that they have discussed in class, such as the Silk Roads and the Ottoman Embassy. Additionally, students walked around visiting vendors, watching shows, and enjoying the food. One of the biggest hits among the students was enjoying the enormous turkey legs. Here's a word from Ms. Fisher.
Hey guys, it's Ms. Fisher over at the elementary campus, and I just wanted to share some of our amazing Picasso-inspired drawings. There are some on the board, and I'm going to input a couple of more, but I just wanted to tell you guys that my students did an amazing job with this project, as always. Our next project is going to be perspective drawing, so when things look far away or they look closer, they're learning how to scale their drawings so that they have a perspective. So those are coming next, and so far so good. So check out our Picassos and enjoy your time in art. Have a good one.
Ms. Kiernan's third graders had a great time reading by flashlight during Literacy Week. Ms. Dvorak and I rewarded the students with no absences and no tardies for the month of January with Create Your Own Ice Cream Sundaes.
Hello, my name is Alexis Olson and I am in 9th grade. The experience I have had at PBMA has been really amazing. I would like to give a few shout outs to a few terrific people. My first shout out goes to Mr. Andropont. He has been absolutely amazing. He is a great person and has a fantastic personality. My second shout out is going to Miss Thomas. She is our guidance counselor and she has helped me out a lot. She provides kids with lots of opportunities and guidance for community service hours for graduation. Another shout out I would like to give is to our principal, Miss Stone. She has been really amazing, and I love her. She has made this school fantastic, and she has added many things for us here at PBMA. Zephyr Setcher is a teacher I would like to give recognition to for his amazing teaching and how much he has helped me along with my peers here at PBMA. Another shout out goes to Mr. Robert James. He has been absolutely terrific and has taught me so much. One of my favorite things about him is his personality and how he has helped me through many things. I am really grateful to have them, both of them, as my teachers this year.
And finally, here are the elementary sharks of the week who cheered on others' successes. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will always be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.